Welcome to the SGIA Expo in Las Vegas. I'm Greg Painter with Graphic Labs TV with Anthony Harris from Gravotech. I am really excited about Gravotech's new updated LS1000XP laser that they're unveiling at SGIA this year. Anthony, let's have a look.
Hi, I'm Anthony Harris with Gravograph, and today we're introducing our version 2 of the LS1000XP. This laser has several enhancements. It is, first of all, a 24x48 work area. Has a nice viewing window on the front and on the top so that you can see the progress of the job from across the room. Has pass-through capabilities on the front, so the front door lowers down so that you can pass a sheet of material in the front out the back as an option. We also have pass-through capabilities on the end of the laser that allow you to pass through from side to side. We've enhanced the lighting on this laser. We now have LEDs on the top interior of the door as well as along the sides of the laser. In the version 2 enhancements, we've also redesigned the airflow system so that we have nice airflow coming in the door right across the top of the table and out the back of the laser to help keep your workpiece cleaner as well as keep the lenses and optics cleaner. This laser has a 157 inch per second raster speed, so it is the fastest laser on the market in its class. The LS1000XP comes standard with a castered stand. It has 2 storage drawers, and as an option there's an integrated exhaust system that nests right in under the laser. It also contains an air compressor to feed the air assist system so that you get the optimal cut. Got our start in 1938 as a New Hermes Corporation making pantograph engravers. We introduced pantographs into the market. We've been manufacturing lasers for 26 years. We manufacture lasers in CO2, YAG, fiber, and green laser technologies in both Galvo and gantry systems. In this 80-watt system, we can drive this at 120 volts or 220. This LS1000 is available in 60, 80, 100, and 150 watts. So the 150 watt unit would be capable of cutting 1-inch acrylic in a single pass to give you a nice flame polished edge. The 80 watt does a beautiful job with 1/2-inch acrylic in a single pass with beautiful flame polished edges. One of the key features of laser style software is that it will drive our laser systems, but also there's a second side to that software that's designed for our rotary systems, and that gives you the opportunity to process using both technologies. So for instance, on an ADA sign, we would use the rotary engraver or router table to do the raster braille portion of the sign. Then we may bring that sheet over and put it on the LS1000. The registration will match up, and on the LS1000, using the same job save, we will run the tactile lettering and then cut out the profiles of the sign, which gives you the opportunity to have some really exotic contours on the sign as well as high detailed cutting work. We have a complete system for ADA signage, but also we're the leader in the industry in that we have a full solution offering. We manufacture the lasers, we manufacture the routing engravers, we also manufacture the software that drives those, so the machines and the software communicate bidirectionally. So the software always knows what the machine's doing. It gives us the opportunity to introduce features like point and shoot technology, which allows you to point to corners of a plate and the software will automatically position and size everything based on that point and shoot capability. As well, if you're filling in the blanks on a serial rating plate, you can point to each of the fields on the rating plate with a red spotting beam and it will size and position the text in that box. So some really nice features that are exclusive. And we manufacture the tooling that goes in the routing engravers. We manufacture the engraving stock, the laminated sheets that you would process in the laser or the rotary machine, so we can marry those technologies together.
The first thing you notice when you walk up to this machine is how well built it is. The heavy lid, the LED lighting around the perimeter, just a drop down thing, that's heavy. I looked at some Chinese lasers and yeah, they're a lot less money, but I'm hearing so many horror stories about glass tubes not lasting. I mean, it could be 5 hours, it might be 500 hours. These tubes last tens of thousands of hours. It's a big investment, I know, but I'm around for the long term, and I want a machine that's going to last and carry me through 10, 20 years, and I'm not going to have to replace it every 2 years because I bought cheap junk. The Gravograph, it's going to be here for me, you know, for a long time, and it's going to be making me money for a long time. This hot rod is one of the fastest lasers on the market, 157 inches per second. This thing flies. I want to take this bad boy home and put it to work in our Ultimate Sign store. I'm looking forward to doing a lot of cool projects with it and sharing it with you guys. So we'll see you down the road. Let's get this thing home.